Hi, welcome to your Big Six lesson introduction. I am your friendly school librarian, Mrs. Engler, and today we're going to learn how to use the Big Six research method to conduct research for your class project. The standards that we're going to be using today in our lesson and in our research are from the Texas School Librarian Standards. You will be able to access and evaluate information, resources for your inquiry needs. The Common Core standards, you will be able to use information from multiple resources to write or speak knowledgeably. The ITSE standards, you will be able to plan and use research strategies to locate information and resources. And the AASL standards, you will be able to make critical choices about information sources to use. So what is the Big Six? The Big Six is a research process. It has 6 steps that has you use information to solve a problem or answer a question. The Big Six not only allows for you to conduct the research, but it gives you a piece where you can reflect back on the process and the product when you're done. And best of all, it can be used for almost any subject. Before you start, don't forget to complete the pre-assessment in the next box over. This is just a quick 5-question assessment to check for your background knowledge. So today, in conclusion, you're going to be using the state and national standards to learn about the Big Six research project and why we're learning about it. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to name the Big Six steps and be able to use them for your own research in the library. And you will complete that pre-assessment and the lesson before your next library lesson. I cannot wait to help you with your projects.